You're watching CKWS News at Noon. An honor to have you join us here on this Thursday afternoon. Average high this time of year is around 8 degrees. Kingston should hit as much of the region will, 7 or 8 degrees today. Not a whole lot of sunshine, mostly cloudy. And light cloudiness overnight as we drop down to 4 degrees. At least it's +4, not -4 overnight. And we dealt with a rain-snow mix earlier this morning. That system, for the most part, has moved out of the way. A little bit of a light rain to the north and south of Kingston and parts of the county later in the evening. To the north and to the south of us. We should stay in the middle there. Belleville, 8 degrees for you today. Mostly cloudy sky. 8 tomorrow, but enjoy some sunny periods. And then only a high of 4 on Saturday. We do have a mostly clear sky, though. This is going to be the trend that plays out throughout eastern Ontario. Temperature-wise, 6 degrees for Brockville today. A risk of freezing rain this morning you had, and a light rain late in the evening. 7 degrees for tomorrow, a light rain, and then just 3 on Saturday. But for Remembrance Day ceremonies, we do have some sunny periods. Smiths Falls, 3 degrees as good as you'll get tomorrow, and a risk of freezing rain. You had that in the morning, and you might see some late in the evening as well. 6 degrees on Friday, mostly cloudy, a little bit of sunshine. +2 on Saturday, as good as you get, but enjoy some sunny periods. We'll climb to 8 degrees for Kingston. Light rain, we had that in the morning, and we'll also could possibly see it in the evening. Just a trace amount. Windy conditions throughout the region as well today. 8 degrees tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, mostly clear for Saturday as we climb to just 4 degrees. A cool Sunday upon us, just 3, and then 6 degrees on Monday. We could start the week with a light rain.
Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Yes, that chance of showers still lingering, and as that 30% probability continues overnight, there is a chance it could be mixed with a wet flurry as temperatures drop. So that chance should end in the morning, but through the afternoon tomorrow, another chance of showers thanks to a cold front pushing through. But it's only 30 to 40% probability. Brockville, Smiths Falls, you may find that becomes 60% by the early evening. But then clearing and cooling for the weekend. That cold front in the north is going to bring in some high pressure in behind it. A chance of showers Monday, but then right back to some clearing on Tuesday, and you're going to watch those temperatures start to climb again. We'll get back into double digits, just above seasonal by the middle of the week of next week. So a little up and down with those temperatures, and yeah, for the most part, we're going to push the worst of the precipitation out of the way after tomorrow. 9 degrees for high in Belleville and Kingston today. The seasonal norm is 8, 6 in Brockville. Look at this, 2 in Smiths Falls, 0 in Ottawa. So you could almost draw that line here where you really see that push out of the south and how that lake effect can really make a difference in temperatures. And that's why it was more of a freezing rain issue for us here. And to the north, it became more of snow and ice pellets. And we'll have some a beautiful weather wallpaper shot showing that in Port Elmsley in just a minute. 10 degrees in Toronto and Oshawa today. So everybody either seasonal or just above that, unless, of course, you are away from Lake Ontario to the north. Southwest winds gusting to 33, reported at the top of the hour from Norman Rogers, sitting at 9 right now, and mostly cloudy conditions. 2 centimeters of snow and ice pellets, but then that was followed by rain and freezing rain and then just rain. And so we were, it was kind of iffy as to whether those buses were going to be canceled this morning. I think in North Hastings there were a few. The key word there, north, because you were a little farther away from Lake Ontario. And that's just the way it was as a result of this system. The farther away from the lake, the north end seemed to see a little more treacherous road conditions as a result of this system. We're seeing that pull out completely, getting into that chance of precipitation again tomorrow afternoon. There's a small chance tonight, very small. But then tomorrow afternoon, another cold front moving in, the troughing of that cooler air creating a bit of cloud. So you may get some sunshine to start the day tomorrow, but that mix of sun and cloud becomes mostly cloudy by the afternoon as those northwest winds 20 to 40 kilometers per hour push through, creating that 30 to 40% chance of a shower. Once that moves on, though, high pressure from the north moves in, and this is going to bring much cooler temperatures, but you'll be able to enjoy some sunshine. Come Monday, the chance of showers popping in, but just barely, and then out of the way for some clearing and warming up as we move into the middle of next week. This is what we're looking at now. Yeah, there's that small 30% chance of showers through the evening and overnight. By the morning, it's nice, but then by the afternoon again, you get into that probability. And you can see that difference again where it's a little milder closer to Lake Ontario and you get the mix and the wet flurries to the north. There are freezing drizzle advisories currently, right now, in Smiths Falls and Ottawa. And that goes to show you how different things are from one place to another due to that body of water. Throughout your Saturday, things are looking beautiful, clearing right up, and into Sunday as well. Nice conditions. Belleville, you've got a high of 8 tomorrow. That's seasonal. A mix of sun and cloud to start. More cloud through the afternoon and that chance of showers at about 30% probability, but it ends quickly early evening. Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 4, rising to 4 again on Sunday, and mainly sunny conditions. Brockville, you'll hit 7 Celsius for a daytime high tomorrow. Mostly cloudy and a 40% chance of a shower. Saturday, it's a high 3 and a mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny on Sunday with a high of 3 degrees as well. Smiths Falls hit 6 Celsius for a daytime high tomorrow. Cloudy, maybe some sunny periods early in the day. 40% chance of showers through the afternoon and evening. Saturday, it's a high of 2, mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny on Sunday with a high of 2 as well. And Kingston up to 8 degrees, a mix of sun and cloud to start the day, an increase in cloud through the afternoon thanks to those northwest winds, 20 to 40. You could see a shower, about a 30% probability. Saturday, Remembrance Day, high 4, no precipitation, mainly sunny, nice and clear, a beautiful day for it as you visit the cenotaph. However, put a couple layers on. It's going to be cool. Sunday, mix of sun and cloud, much cooler, high 3, but back to an 8 on Monday, mostly cloudy and a chance of showers, a high 7 Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Come Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud and up to 9 degrees, and look at that, an 11 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Donna Brown sends this in from Port Elmsley, which is part of the Drummond North Elmsley Township, which is on Highway 43 between the halfway point between Perth and Smiths Falls on Highway 43. Lovely country, very beautiful area. But yes, as you can see, to the north, it was more of a snow and ice pellets. Freezing drizzle is the what's going on there this evening in Smiths Falls, Perth, and up through Ottawa as well. So those advisories still in place.
Yeah, you're right. Further north there, they got the white, and down here it was more the wet, right?
Yes.
Variety. And but once this system finally clears away, Bill, your next few days beyond that look pretty good.
Yeah, very nice. You know, there's that small probability showers Monday. Other than that, it's yeah, really good conditions. Those temperatures are up and down a little bit, cooling as it clears of the weekend. But then, yeah, into next week, those temperatures are back up again, seasonal or better.
And we'll see if we will continue that trend in the 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. 10-day outlook will be taking us right into mid-November, Bill.
Yes, and looks like temperatures will be a little up and down. 8 degrees for a high tomorrow, which is seasonal. We see that probability of precipitation reducing to 30% tonight. You might get some sunny periods to the morning, but through the afternoon that cloud increases, that chance of showers returns. For Saturday, cool with a high 4, mix of sun and cloud, more of the same Sunday and only up to 3. And then temperatures return to a seasonal level as the chance of showers returns Monday in a small way, 40%. Tuesday and Wednesday, seasonal highs as the sunshine starts to move back in. A mix of sun and cloud Thursday with a high of 11. We'll be up to 13 Celsius by Friday as the chance of showers returns. 60% probability over Friday and Saturday of next week. And Sunday, a seasonal high of 8 and still a 60% chance of showers.
So another spike in temperatures around this time next week, Bill.
Yeah, double digits again.
With a little bit of wet weather thrown in there. I was looking at a week from Saturday, which is the Kingston Santa Parade. You have a 60% chance of showers. It is a little early, though, to actually lock that in, right?
Yeah, it is. Give it a few days. That could change. Mother Nature is fickle. She will move things around on us.
Okay, thank you. We'll be right back.
Your long-range weather. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
So the wintry mess has moved on. For some of it, it was more of a rain or freezing rain issue. I think the only school buses in the district by Tri-Board that were canceled were North Hastings. For the Kingston area, it switched to showers quick enough. Those temperatures rose, so we didn't see that this morning. But there was a bit of snow and ice pellets, and the farther away you got from Lake Ontario, the more you saw. But it's out of the way now. That probability of showers diminishing to about 30% tonight in the Belleville-Kingston area, 40% through Brockville and Smiths Falls, and that may continue tomorrow. But we do have, another cold front pushing through, and that's what's going to bring that probability of a shower or even a mix of showers and flurries to some parts of the region through the afternoon tomorrow. So maybe some sunshine to start, but then you're getting into some mixed precipitation at about 30 to 40% probability later in the day. High pressure is moving in. Going to clear things up a bit for the weekend, but that high from the north is bringing in much cooler air. We will find windy conditions tonight and the change tomorrow with those northwest winds. That temperature dropping significantly as we see the sunshine over the weekend. Belleville, a high of 8 tomorrow, still a lingering 30% chance of showers. A little more cloud in the afternoon when that chance of showers moves through. Saturday, a high of 4 degrees and a mix of sun and cloud. Mainly sunny on Sunday and rising to 4 again. Brockville, you'll manage to get to 7 Celsius tomorrow for a daytime high, mostly cloudy. There is a 40% chance of showers, especially through the afternoon. Saturday, a high 3, mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny Sunday, and only up to 3 again on Sunday. So cool and clear for most of us over the weekend. Smiths Falls, 6 is your high tomorrow, with a chance of showers at 40%. Saturday and Sunday, highs of 2. And yes, some sunshine, a mix of sun and cloud Saturday, mainly sunny on Sunday. Kingston, your forecast, rising to 8 tomorrow, a mix of sun and cloud and a chance of showers as the cloud increases through the afternoon. Remembrance Day, it's a high of 4. No showers, mainly sunny. Sunday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 3, a high of 8 on Monday. Back to a 40% chance of showers, mostly cloudy Tuesday and a high 7. And back to double digits over Wednesday and Thursday, but just barely, and a mix of sun and cloud.